Start Bybit with a 50% trading fee discount. Today I will briefly show you how to get started. If you sign up through the link in the video comments, you can receive the 50% trading fee discount automatically.
How to sign up. I will explain the sign up process right away. When you click the link in the description, the Bybit sign up screen will appear. When you enter the page, and the referral code field already has the code shown on the screen applied. The 20% fee cashback code has been applied. If you sign up without a referral code, you will not receive this benefit. So I strongly recommend applying the referral code. You can sign up using either an email address or a mobile phone number. Trade notifications and deposit and withdrawal alerts will be sent to the registered ID. Using an ID that you check frequently will be much more convenient. Please enter the email address or mobile phone number you want to use. I will try signing up with an email. If possible, using a Google email is more stable. Next, you need to set a password, and there are some strict requirements. You must meet all 3 conditions: at least 8 characters, at least 1 uppercase letter, and at least 1 number. Passwords containing only uppercase letters are not allowed. A complex password including uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers is required. Please also refer to the subtitle example shown in the video. When you click Next, a verification email will be sent to the email address you entered. Go to your inbox, copy the verification code, and paste it. If you do not receive the email, make sure to check your spam folder. If it is still not there, it may be a temporary server delay, so wait a few minutes and check again. After completing email verification, enter the code and the sign-up process will be completed. Now, let's move on to the KYC identity verification process. How to complete KYC identity verification. After completing sign-up, the identity verification request screen will appear automatically. Click Start Identity Verification to proceed. Identity verification is mandatory, not optional. If you do not complete it, deposits, withdrawals, and trading will be restricted. You must complete this step. Select your country of residence on the first screen. Agree to the terms and proceed to the next step. You can choose one of the following verification methods: national ID, driver's license, passport, or residence permit. I will explain using a national ID as an example. If your PC does not have a webcam, you must proceed on a mobile device. You can open the QR code below to continue on mobile. Scan the QR code using the Bybit app to switch to mobile. Install the Bybit app on your smartphone. Follow the instructions to photograph the front of your ID. Then photograph the back side as well. If the camera focus is blurry or there is strong light reflection, the capture may fail. Place the ID on a flat surface with a bright background and capture it clearly without reflection. After completing the capture, facial verification will proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions for any required expressions or movements. Once completed, the identity verification process will be finished. Now, let's move on to spot trading. How to do spot trading. Now, I will explain how to do spot trading. On the Bybit main screen, go to Trade and then Spot to see tradable coins. First, select any coin and enter the spot trading screen. You can select a different coin again from the left side. Now, let's proceed with spot trading. In spot trading, you can choose between limit and market orders. There is no difference in fees, so choose whichever you prefer. For a market order, enter the quantity and press the buy button. The trade will be executed immediately. You can then check the coin in your wallet. Selling works the same way. Enter the quantity and press the sell button. How to do futures trading. Lastly, I will explain how to trade futures. On Bybit, go to Trade and then Futures to select a coin. Click the coin you want to enter the futures trading screen. Before starting futures trading, you must transfer funds from the spot wallet to the futures wallet. Scroll down slightly to find the transfer section. Transfer in the direction of funding unified trading. When withdrawing after trading, transfer the funds back to the spot wallet first. If you want to change to another coin, you can do so from the left side. Since this is just an example, I will switch to a cheaper coin. Before starting the trade, the first step is to select the margin mode. You can choose between isolated or cross margin. Isolated margin uses only the assets allocated to that position as collateral. This makes it advantageous for risk management. Cross margin uses the entire account balance as collateral. Losses can affect the entire account, so caution is required. For safer trading, I recommend selecting isolated mode. Next is leverage selection. The maximum leverage varies by coin, but Bitcoin allows up to 100x. For beginners, starting with around 3x to 5x is recommended. Higher leverage increases both profits and losses, as well as fees, so extra caution is required. Now, select the order type. You can choose market or limit. Market orders execute immediately, but have slightly higher fees. Limit orders allow you to set a desired price. The trade executes when the price is reached. Choose appropriately depending on market conditions. Finally, select the position direction. Long is used when you expect the price to rise. Short is used when you expect the price to fall. Once selected, real-time trade details will appear in the position window at the bottom. How to close a trade. To close a trade, choose either limit or market, just like when entering. For a limit close, set the closing price and quantity. The position will close automatically when the price is reached. For a market close, the position closes immediately at the current price. You only need to enter the quantity. This allows for quick profit-taking or stop-loss execution. Closing. In today's video, I explained how to use the Bybit exchange from start to finish. This included sign-up, identity verification, spot trading, and futures trading. Even beginners should be able to use it without issues by following along. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Thank you.